Hey students, today we are going to discuss about conservation and natural resources. Okay, what are natural resources? Natural resources are materials found in nature that humans use to survive and build things. They exist on their own without any help from people. Okay, so let's discuss the definition of natural resources. Natural resources are materials or substances found in nature that humans use to meet their needs and sustain life. These resources are essential for energy, manufacturing, agriculture, and overall survival. They exist without human intervention and are classified based on their origin, renewability, and type. As I have told you that natural resources are materials found in nature. You can simply say that natural resources are material found in nature that human use to survive and build things. Okay? And they exist on their own without any help from people. Okay. Why are they important? We need them for almost everything in our daily lives, including energy. Energy, you can say that is heating and electricity, manufacturing, like used for making products, agriculture, like used for growing food, and basic survival, like breathing and drinking. Some of the natural resources are solar energy, wind, water, forest, fish, fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas, minerals, and metals, forest, animals, fossil fuels, water, air, soil, minerals, and sunlight. Okay? In short, if it comes from the earth and we use it to live or make things, it's a natural resource. Okay? Humans have invented many ways to use natural resources. We use energy from natural resources in our daily activities, like including cooking food, moving objects, and powering machines. Some ways of using natural resources for energy add to air pollution and others do not. Humans have found many ways to turn natural resources into energy. We use this energy every day for cooking food, like transportation, factories, and gadgets. Okay? And not all energy is created equal. The slide basically points out a big difference in how our choices affect the planet, like polluting energy. Some resources like burning coal or oil creates air pollution which can harm the environment. And also other resources like wind or solar power provide energy without causing air pollution. Okay? So we rely on natural resources for power, but some are much cleaner for the earth than others. Okay, this slide basically explains the difference between dirty energy and clean energy. Okay, wood, oil, and coal are examples of natural resources that are fuels. Burning a fuel provides energy, but it also releases chemicals that can be harmful to our health and to the environment. These chemicals add to air pollution. You know, some resources like wood, oil, and coal are fuels that we burn to get energy. Here we have problem. The problem is burning them releases harmful chemicals. And the result is this cause air pollution which is bad for our health and the planet. Whereas sunlight, wind and water are natural resources that can provide energy. Using energy from the sun, wind or water does not burn material. These uses of energy do not release chemicals that add to air pollution. Okay, so, other resources like sunlight, wind, and water gives us energy without burning anything. Here we have benefit, like since nothing is burned, no harmful chemicals are released. And the result is these sources do not cause air pollution. So, we have main idea to protect our health and the environment using sunlight, wind, and water is much better than burning coal or oil. Okay? Okay, here we have practice question. Below are three examples of using energy from natural resources. Select the use of energy that did not add to air pollution. Okay. Here we have hint: burning a material such as wood, oil or coal releases chemicals that add to air pollution. Okay. The first one is the sun and wind dry clothes on an outdoor clothing. The second one is wood burned in a fireplace heating a house. And the third one is a torch burned natural gas making a flame hot enough to melt glass. Yes, the correct choice is the sun and wind dried clothes on an outdoor clothes line. Why this answer is correct? To find the answer, you just have to look for the options where nothing is being burned. Yes, clothesline. This uses energy from the sun and wind. Neither of these involves burning anything, so they do not add to air pollution. Okay? Wood fireplace. This involves burning wood. As the hint says, burning wood releases chemicals that cause air pollution. And natural gas, this involves burning gas to create a flame. Burning gas also releases chemicals into air. Okay?